Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So, if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video.
So today we're going to be checking out some festival style hairstyles. You can also wear these to a rave. So here she is doing a simple bun, kind of giving us that clean girl aesthetic. And then braiding the two pieces in the front. And then we move into a bubble braided hairstyle. Now this is always a cute one for festival season. You can do it with any hair type or length. And she does add some hair accessories, kind of jazz things up even further. Now this next hairstyle, she's going to be putting in some colorful extensions. I love this idea. It's a great way to play around with like temporary hair color for the night. So then she does add some hair accessories as well. And you can find all of this stuff on Amazon. I will try to link a few items for you. Now this next girl, I absolutely love the texture of her hair. So pretty and curly. So she does two space buns here, adds in a scarf. I feel like that would be a cute, like, everyday hairstyle to do as well. Oh, very cute. So she did two space buns, half up, half down, braided a few of the pieces. So then we have another half up, half down style with the double braids. So I feel like the two pink tail style festival hairstyles are probably the easiest to do just because most of us can do like a half up, half down style or, you know, ponytail. And if you just put like some braids and a few accessories in it, I really feel like that kind of elevates the look and makes it feel more like festival. You can also use like the colorful hair clip ends or extensions to just kind of add a bit of color. Or you can use the temporary hair colors. They have like all kinds. They have sprays, they have like paste. She did like a double ponytail there with braid. Oh, very cute. Loving the butterflies. And as you can see, she's got a lot of color, a lot of pastels. Easy festival hair tutorial. I love her makeup. She's got like this neon eye look going. Very pretty. So she does a half up, half down style, two pieces in the front. I feel like that's very popular. So she did braid the pieces and then add the hair accessory. Top knot. Yeah, so as far as simple festival hairstyles, I feel like this is definitely a go-to. So then we have something a little bit more intricate. This, of course, involves color. I love the play on the neon here. She's got like this neon green mixed with the blue. And then she's doing this really intricate kind of bubble braided look. You can see there that the hair also mixes in some tinsel. That's another huge accessory that you can infuse in your looks. Oh, wow. Such a cute hairstyle. And then, of course, because the hair is so busy, you want to keep that makeup, you know, kind of neutral. So here we have another half up, half down style with the two ponytails, bangs in the front, and of course, she is braiding them. Oh, I thought she was going to actually keep those out. So this is an example of another cute, like, everyday hairstyle that you could actually wear. Oh, look at this one. Lots of color here. I love the cotton candy pastels, the blue and the purple. So she did bubble braids there, and then she's got the two ponytails. So she's going to show us a hack of how to do this look. So it looks like she did her own hair and then mixed in the pieces with that. Oh, super cute. I love her glasses. All right, so next up, now this is what I was talking about with the temporary hair color. So she's going to put, I don't want to say that this is paste because it's not paste. It's like, it looks like paste to me though. Look at it, it looks like paste. So she's going to be putting in some red. And you can do this for any type of event. It doesn't have to be festival. If you just want to mix up your color for a night, I think this is a super cute idea. So then we got another bubble braided look. Now with this one, she has like this gorgeous glitter mixed in. And then she just has a cute bubble ponytail here. And here we just have a variety of different styles. These are all super cute. Bubble ponytail on short hair. So all of these like festival and rave style hairstyles are just about having fun, you know. Definitely play around with accessories if you don't feel like you know what you're doing. Accessories will really elevate your look. And then here we leave off the video with a simple double space bun. Anybody can do this one. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.